Well, morning everybody. We are up in the northeast of England. We're at a little place called Ashton Hall, and we're on a little CL site called Long Barn. There is a Ashton Hall campsite as well, which is owned by the same people. That's a fully fitted campsite, got showers, toilets, electric hookup, but this is quite a simple campsite. I'll give you a little pan round. There's a few vans here. I'll come to the gate in a minute, but just behind the caravan down there, you've got a freshwater point, you've got a few bins, and of course you've got your Alsan chemical toilet point. Now, what Helen is trying to point out is, yeah, it's got a gate, but there's no fence here, and the farmer's been up and down getting in his field. He's been cutting it back, but there is a path. We're going to go and have a walk down to Glasson Docks.
Yes, we are.
Yeah, so I'm going to hope it's going to come back into focus. We're going to have a little walk through and see what we can find. The only thing here, nice CL site, very, very quiet, pretty level, but there's no electric hookup, and it's £15 a night. That's down to you to decide, but on our experience over the last 2 years, I'd have expected maybe 10, 12 quid for a non-hookup site. I have paid £15 for hookup in the past, but you'll make that decision. We'll come back to you in a bit. Well, temporary stop. Helen's realised that even though she's completely covered up, she's forgot her date, and she reckons that when we walk through the little wooded path down to the riverside, she's going to get bit like a bugger. Come to a bit of a high point where they've got marker boards out for what you can see on the horizon, and just over there on the horizon is Fleetwood, where we were yesterday, and Blackpool Tower, which is just sticking up at the edge of my finger over there. Might try and zoom in on it in a bit. But then across the estuary we have a place called Sunderland, strangely. Not the Sunderland I know. But then you've got Heysham, views to the South Lakes. You can see Scafell Pike, Coniston Old Man. Helens is just on the tip over here. But yeah, you know, you're not very high, but some great views. So, we're at the Dalton Arms. Helen has got a Thwaites, excuse me, golden ale, and I've got the amber.
Obviously needs a beer if he's choking to death like that.
Yeah, tastes good that. I wouldn't say it's particularly local, but you know, it is what it is.
Yeah.
Well, we've had a really nice walk to Glasson Docks, had a beer, had an ice cream, dog even had a swim in a very tiny pond, and she's definitely not a swimmer, but yeah, quite nice, a nice little place to come. Little bit to see, little bit to do. Went to the smokehouse place. Oh, Helen's telling me we've arrived at our cut through, which we have, to the campsite. So I'll flip that round like that. And yeah, not far at all. About 2 miles, you reckon, there. A couple of miles back. But it's been very, very good. I'll get the gate, my love.
That's alright, I'll do it.
Right.
Okay.
Ah, look. So yeah, not bad at all. Not bad at all. So
Certainly filled the day, didn't it?
yeah, it's and you know, it's a little bit showery and cloudy when we set off, but the sun's definitely out now. It's definitely warm. We're going to head back, get the chairs out, and go and sit out in the sunshine.
With a cup of tea.
Yeah, and we got some nice smoked halloumi from the smokehouse,
That's
and
my
I
tea
got
time.
some Hunter's burgers, which is all they're a game burger of various types. So we might even barbecue out tonight.
I think that would be a damn good idea.
Oh,
But I'd definitely recommend Glasson Dock. It's tiny. You can get round it probably in half an hour, perhaps not even that. But nip up to the what's it called, Tithe Barn Hill.
yeah,
You've got a beautiful view there.
yeah,
And as we were saying before, it's places like this that if you don't have a motorhome or you don't know about it,
or a camper. Yeah,
you just probably wouldn't come.
yeah, it'd be overshadowed.
Yeah.
But because with the freedom to move and having the time, you can come and find these tiny little places. Right, anyway, enough rattling. Got a gate to get through, got a woods to get through. I'm already in the shade, so I'm very, very backlit. I'll come back to you in a bit